Hey guys, Jonathan Stewart here for About.com. Beards can be sexy, cool, sophisticated, and suave, depending on who you ask. But they can be just as easily ratty, nasty, dirty, and smelly, which is no fun for anyone. But take a look at these simple beard care tips, and you'll be on your way to a good-looking, fashionable face in a flash. Check it out. Beard care rule number 1. Keep it clean. Just like the hair on your head, the hair on your face needs to be shampooed, even if it's not all that thick. Lather up every other day with your regular shampoo and rinse as usual. Just be careful not to get any in your mouth. Starting to grow a beard can be tricky, as most men look a little haggard after a few days of not shaving. You might want to wait to start growing your beard until over holiday or a break from work, when you have the time to look like a slob, only in front of your family and friends. Beard care rule number 2, condition and moisturize. Especially if you've got a little or a lot of gray in your beard, it's important to keep your beard from getting dry and bristly. Stick to a facial moisturizer and be sure to cover your entire beard. Now, mine's a little short for this, but it's also important to keep your beard combed and crumb free. You should do this once you get out of the shower or any old time of day. Beard care rule number 3, trim it. If you're going to grow a beard, you should definitely own a beard trimmer. Most come with an adjustable guide and guard that prevents trimming your beard closer than you want. The standard beard length is about a ½ inch, or setting number 3 on most trimmers. Make sure that your beard is dry and that you start out on a setting that's a little longer rather than a little shorter. Be sure to trim your sides, chin, and mustache. Bear in mind these are guidelines for a standard beard. If you're going for burly and intimidating, do it. But you might still want to heed the washing and conditioning parts. I'm just saying. Beard care rule number 4, shape it. This step is mostly up to you and how comfortable you are with your beard. Use your trimmer without the guard to tighten up the neck and corners of your mouth, and use a regular razor to clean up areas like your lower neck and cheeks. Just be sure to leave your beard as symmetrical as possible, and you're all set. I keep my beard pretty high so it doesn't itch so much, but some beards look great all the way down the neck and all the way up your cheeks. You can also choose to dye your beards grays, and there are plenty of products out there that'll do it, but just remember, grayness is next to godliness, or something like that. Thanks for watching. To learn more, visit us on the web at About.com.